everyone, welcome back. Today's review video is about a product which gives you all-in-one solution to many of your problems regarding hosting your websites, creating your websites, and creating a great sales funnel, landing pages in any niche. So let me tell you about this product a little. It's called Mints, and here are some key features. You can create unlimited pages for yourself and clients too, so you can make money using this software, and you will not be needing to hire other people to do to create websites for you or to design any graphics for you. So it will be saving your money with one-time cost, and it will give you unlimited commercial license and 30 reseller license, and you can create any type of page and website with unlimited designs. So you're not gonna need a domain, or no domain needed or hosting required. So if you go to other platforms and if you create a website on your own or get it created by people, and then you're gonna need to buy a domain and then a hosting server, so that's going to cost you money and time, obviously, and skills too. So with this software, they will host your website and domain on their own server, CDN server. So it's fully responsible and mobile friendly, fast loading website and the pages, and it's newbie friendly and built for non-technical minded entrepreneurs and marketers. And this $200 refund if it doesn't work for you, and 365-day money back guarantee. So you can sell websites and you can make websites for clients. Okay, so this Mint will cost you $16.93 during their welcome offer, and on launch day you will be getting a free email responder as well, which you will be needing to collect emails and to collect the people who are willing to buy from you, and keeping them updated with just one click and one email. Okay, so what is Mints? Who is Mints for? Now, you have already learned ClickFunnels were great for any type of business. Doesn't matter whether it's a brick and mortar or an online presence. So if you're selling products, e-commerce vendors. Now, before I get into more further details of Mints, let me tell you a little about ClickFunnels if you're new to understanding this terminology, because not many people know about funnels in the beginning. So funnels, in simple words, a sales funnel is a series of pages that are intended to guide visitors step by step towards taking one specific action. So let me take you here so that you can understand a little bit better that here are the not the buyers, these are just the people from all different niches. So basically you run a fantastic ad that drives traffic into a landing page. On the page, you ask your prospect to sign up for your email list in exchange for a lead. And basically what happens is that when that potential buyer comes to your landing page, you will first give them awareness about that product, and you will build their trust, and then let them take decision, and they will take action, and you will get a set of serious buyers who will actually buy from you. So how you create a funnel, let me give you an example. It's like you give them an offer, you give them an actual price of that product, and you give them two choices. Either they buy with that price or they leave. If they decide to leave, you take them to another page and you give them a reduced offer with a sale or something like that. And then you give them again two options. Either they leave, or if they're interested, then obviously they're going to buy, and they'll end up on your email list. So that's how you're building your email list as well. Or if they're still not interested, you give them another offer. So that's how the funnels work, and that's how you build your email list. Okay, now let me take you to the home page of Mints. So this is the dashboard of Mints, and you can see training, support desk here, and then you'll find search offers. So basically, first let me tell you about all that is here on the left side, all the options. Search offers, the offers you're going to present to people, and the page builder. In search offers, you're going to get JVZoo deals. That's an affiliate marketing network from where you're going to get deals or a single product, and then WordPress deals, then ClickBank deals, and then there are page builders which will help you create. From here you can create your landing pages, your opt-in pages, your thank you pages, your webinar pages, coming soon pages, checkout pages, sign up pages, giveaway pages, and reports. And then there is this option SMS campaign, where you will be able to alert people with the SMS campaign templates, API settings, and the sequence, SMS sequence campaign. And then there is this email campaign, which you can let people know about your product or your website, anything that you want to promote to people. You can use this key, all the necessary tools and everything is required, the APIs and the campaigns and the template, everything is in one place for email campaign. And then traffic sources, which you're definitely going to need to, you're going to select your campaign here and blast your campaign to social channels. And then there is link cloaking. So basically, link cloaking is here they have given you two websites, Bitly URL shortener and Rebrandly. So with the help of this, you will be able to shorten your link, which will look pretty cool, and you will be able to track your users' activity, like how many clicks did you get on that link, or did they buy or not. So you will check everything, what your users are doing. So backlinks machine, you will be able to enter backlinks to your website to make it more authoritative. And then there is keyword research. So if you want to rank your website, then you're going to be needing this keyword research, which is very important. So basically what I'm trying to tell you is this, that you will, it's an all-in-one solution. You don't have to go and buy a keyword research program from somebody else and backlinks machine from somebody else and go to other websites for the link shortening and then worry about how am I going to promote it to different social media sites when you can do it in one place. Then worrying about your email campaigns, SMS campaign, then building pages, going to other platforms. So they're basically giving you everything in one place, so that you don't have to waste your time just scrolling or just switching between the tabs. So now let me tell you a little about the upsells of this product. You will be getting the front end of Mints for $19, and the downsell would be $14. You will be able to access this software and the training modules on how you can use this, and they will guide you where you'll get stuck, and to solve all your problem with this support desk help. Okay, then upsell 1, Mints Pro, that is for $39, and the downsell is for $29. Then upsell 2, Done For You. So in Done For You, they will be giving you this for $167, and the downsell is for $97. Then upsell 3, Men's Club, $47 is the upsell, and the downsell is $29. And the upsell 4, Men's Unlimited Traffic, for $167, downsell is for $97, and Men's Enterprise for $47, and downsell is for $37. Then Men's License Rights. So basically you can sell it as your own. One for $167, and downsell is for $67. And then the 7th bundle, upsell is Men's Bundle for $30, and the downsell is for $27. So basically that is what you will be getting in Mints, and it comes with a 90-day money back guarantee. Okay, so let me see if there are any payment proofs. Oh yes, so people are earning by selling their landing pages, and landing pages for $200 per hour, and with the help of this software you will be able to make a landing page within 2 to 3 minutes. And front-end developer and webflow expert, he is charging $40 per hour, and with this software you can create websites within I guess 10 to 15 minutes by editing them, or by taking the templates, or whatever the requirements of your clients would be. So people are making money with this software. You can see the payments proof here, and if you go check out this sales page for yourself, and you'll find so many more details as well. If there's anything you want to know more about this software, you can comment down below in the description. So thank you for watching the review video.